Okay. So what are we thinking? NCAA 09 or H3? Halo 3?
NCAA, I guess.
Okay, cool. It's gonna be so freaking awesome, man. Here's the controller, bro. Good times, eh, bro? Just a couple of gentlemen sitting around playing some video games.
Yeah.
I shotgun Michigan. Okay, here we go. Game time. Alright, cool. I lost the coin toss. 50-50 chance and I lose the coin toss. That's fair. What? A drop pass? You go to school on scholarship, you digitized piece of shit. There we go! Touchdown, baby! What's up, Arnold? Where's your defense? I'm not seeing it. You suck.
Come on, dude. Let's not start this again. Why did I come here?
Oh. No! No! I had the shutout! That's ridiculous!
That, my friend, is a touchdown. 7 points on the board.
What? Where's my blocking? How am I supposed to get a first down if I don't have any blocking?
Whatever, dude. My ball. Punt her on over.
I don't punt. 4th and 4. I'm on this like stink on tuna fish.
Easy there, dude. Let's not do anything we regret.
Let's see. Something I won't regret. I'm gonna kill your mother. I'm gonna drive over to your house, open up the front door. Oh, hi, Miss Sangers. How's the begonias? And then I'm gonna stab her in the throat.
Dude, weak. Can't you just say you did it or something?
Okay, I did her. I tapped your mother. 18 years ago, actually. You're my illegitimate love child.
Man, this is worse than last time.
Just bring it, Candy Boy.
Well, here we go. Last play of the game. You're only 7 yards out. No joke, I'm actually hoping you get this one.
Your support is unwanted and unaccepted. No.
Hey, come on, man. I've got mono. I need to sleep.
Then sleep, my angel.
Easy, man. Remember NHL?
Damn it!
Dude.
Oh yeah, good call. But I'm just so unbelievably angry right now. So angry right now. I'm sorry, Arnold. But I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you with this disc. I'm gonna fillet you up. Fillet you extra thin.
Whoa, whoa, easy, Bruce. This is getting a little too real here. Take it easy.
You're right, it's getting a little too real, man. I don't take well to losing. I also have trouble with girls. But I especially do not take well to losing. I need to unleash all this anger I got, man.
How about Pokemon Stadium? You used to love Pokemon Stadium. Next week, you, me, Pokemon Stadium, N64. I promise. Come on, Bruce. You used to love Pokemon Stadium.
And I never lose. Okay, Arnold. I'll play you in Pokemon Stadium next week. It'll be fun.
Well, I think I best be leaving now.
Hey, man. Well, thanks for coming. I had a great time. And I can't wait to see you right here next week for a little fun in the stadium.
Yeah, that's actually, not gonna happen.